So this is a soursop tree, which I have for about a couple of years. Don't remember the time, how old it is now. Probably four, 5, maybe 4 years old. Anyway, this past winter, it's inside the unheated greenhouse, and what happened is that this was the main trunk right here. This is the main trunk, and after the winter, it just didn't make it. So it just basically, suffered from the cold and died. But these two branches that was part of this main trunk here survived, and it basically is now this big. So, let's see. What I am doing right now is I'm gonna repot it, and then at the same time, while it's still it's in a greenhouse, there's a lot of bugs. So I'm just gonna rinse it with water, with a hose, rinse it down, get rid of all the bugs. So yeah, it's coming back. So look at this, interesting. And then the roots, so it's got all these girdling roots as well. So I need to address these crisscross roots. So I have to address that. So I'm gonna remove this dead wood here. Ow! Okay, so here's what it looks like with all the dirts removed. And I've untangled some of the roots. So goes back into this pot here. Well, I have to remove some of the roots now because the root ball's a bit